Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So again, after a month, because I'm uploading the videos after a month, that's because I was having my exams going on. So I had to take a break from trading, and also making videos for some time. So I thought, why not just start making videos again with this monthly analysis. So yeah, first of all, again, Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you see both of them looking bullish over here, and I had said in the previous monthly analysis that if we kind of make stay, if we do not break 16,800 and just stay in this zone, right, we could see a very good momentum coming on the upside. And we saw very good momentum, but this is a very good setup in Nifty if you see, because from here, if we break 18,100, 18,600 is coming for sure, and it's going to come very, very fast. Because the thing is, 18,100 has been tested multiple times, and above that there is really not much resistance for Nifty until 18,600. Sure, 18,400 could act as a resistance, but again, 18,600 over here, the thing is that, you know, there is not really much resistance left for Nifty to cover over here, and we can expect a very, very good momentum coming in Nifty as soon as we break 18,100 in the next month. And the momentum is going to be very fast till 18,600 at least, and then we could expect us kind of a momentum till 19,000 for this month itself. In Bank Nifty, the things are looking not that bullish. I mean, the things are bullish, but I'm more bullish on Nifty, because the thing is, Bank Nifty is more closer to its all-time high. So there already has been a lot of momentum in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty will also move with Nifty, but the thing is, it will move a little bit lesser than Nifty. So we could see less momentum happening in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty for the coming month, right? When can things become bearish? Things can only become bearish when we go below 16,800 in Nifty and 39, 37, 38,000 in Bank Nifty, right? These levels will be very crucial to be watched out for. If we go below them, then we can expect pretty much a bearish, pretty much a bearish scenario in both of the indices, right? Uh, I'm sorry. For the weekly analysis, if you see, again, Nifty close to 18,100. So what should happen over here is that if we consolidate over here for just 1 or 2 weeks more, right? If we just consolidate between 18,100 and say 17,500 to 600 for one more week, right? One more week or 2 more weeks, we can expect a very good momentum. That the more time we consolidate over here, the more bias will get accumulated at this point, and we'll see a more stronger up move in Nifty. Again, in Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty looking less bullish than Nifty, and for the right reasons, because Bank Nifty has been moving more than Nifty in the coming months. But yeah, Bank Nifty over here, I can see some space. We can see some space on the upside that the Bank Nifty could go till 41,800 to 41,000, like 700 to 41,800. Bank Nifty has some space to move, and Nifty also has some space to move till 18,100. But if we could just consolidate over here for 1 or 2 weeks more, we can see a very, very good up move without any stops in both Nifty and Bank Nifty afterwards, right? So that was the weekly analysis. In the daily chart, if you see Nifty looking bullish, and Bank Nifty also looking bullish over here. But if you see, Bank Nifty is kind of in a better position to take trades right now. If you see, just give me a sec. I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines for you guys. Yep. Yeah, if you see, Bank Nifty kind of looking a little bit more, that looks like the momentum is going to be in Bank Nifty tomorrow as compared to Nifty, because Nifty has already moved. But the thing is that Nifty has closed above 18,000. The weighted average close is also above 80,000. So that's good. So we can expect a good momentum in both of these indices tomorrow, even if we open with a gap up, right? So in the 15, we are going to go in the 15-minute chart and see where exactly you guys can take a trade, right? Um, just give me a sec. Yep. If you see over here, right? Now if you see 41,350 to 41,000, 41,350 to 360 becomes very important for tomorrow. As soon as we cross this after opening, say we open flat and we cross this, and say wait for 5 minutes. As soon as we cross this, and get a 5 minute closing over here, we can expect a very, very good up move, at least till 41,500, right? So if you go, you can take a very good options buying trade over here for tomorrow. And yeah, you can also sell options, but I'm expecting tomorrow to be very trending on the upside also for tomorrow. Why? Because again, if you see, there's also a trend line over here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw it very quick and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Just give me a sec. Yep. Yeah. So what I was saying is this trend line, right? And what you can expect is that we can expect a pretty good momentum, very fast momentum till at least the trend line. But what could happen is that this trend line, I mean, I'm expecting that we would go up over here, right? Take some resistance for 41,500, retest this trend line, and then move up continuously tomorrow itself. Because tomorrow I'm expecting a very good trend. Because see, if you observe, right? Bank Nifty opens higher. Bank Nifty opens with a gap up or goes higher, and then the sell off continues. Bank Nifty went higher. There was a sell off, right? There hasn't been a clear cut up move, right, in Bank Nifty. Even in the down move, if you see, there has been pullbacks. So there hasn't been even a clear trend on any side in Bank Nifty as of now. I mean, you could say that this is a trend, but then again, it's like in the end, if you see, you would have kind of gotten like your returns would have gotten a little less because of this end move. And if you see, again, we opened with a gap up, so you would be pretty much in the loss if you would have carried your position over here or entered somewhere over here, right? So the simple thing over here is that we haven't seen a trend in the coming days, right? So a trending day is pending in the market. So above 41,350 tomorrow, you guys can expect a very trending day in the market tomorrow, right? So if you open flat cross 41,350, you guys can clear cut be very bullish in Bank Nifty easily till 41,500. That should be your first target. Your second target should be 41,600 on the upside. On the downside, if you see, this whole zone will be pretty volatile zone, right? So if you open with a gap down over here, right, wait for Bank Nifty to cross 41,100 to 41,120. Once we get a closing below this, once we get a 15-minute closing, wait for a closing, because we are in an uptrend. So if you are in an uptrend and you want to take a bearish trade over here, wait for a 15-minute closing. And if we are in an uptrend, you want to take a bullish trade, you cannot I mean, it's okay if you don't wait for a closing, but since we are in a uptrend and we are taking a bearish trade over here, wait for a closing below 41,100. Then your first target can become 41,020 to 41,050. The momentum will be quick and the trade will be kind of a little bit small. So what you can do is you can keep a little bit of wide SL over here and take your trade till 41,900 to 41,800, these levels on the downside, right? If we open with a gap down, again, as I said, wait for 41,100. If we open with a gap up, any gap up till 41,500, right? Any gap up near this trend line, right? If we see any gap up over here also, you can take a trade over here also, right? On a 5 minute breakout, right? So you can wait for the first 5 minute candle and then trade on the candle's high being broken, right? You can take a trade over here also, because I'm very bullish, because every time we open with a gap up, we cannot go for a sell off, right? There will be a point where the sellers will be like, okay, we are fed up. We do not want to take the market down. The market will continue moving up. So even if we open with a gap up, you guys can expect a big up move on the upside. In Nifty, again, I'm expecting if we open with a gap up, right? 18,100 is kind of a resistance. So if we open with a gap up, we could expect a very volatile session over here itself. If we open flat over here, you can expect an up move till 18,100 easily. If we open with any sort of gap down, wait for 17,950 to be broken. Once it is broken, then you can take a trade till 17,900. That should be your target on the downside. Do not keep big targets on the downside, because we are in an uptrending market, so you don't want to get caught in these up moves, right? So do not keep a big target over here. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. I'm expecting this month to be very bullish as soon as we cross the major levels of 18,100. I'm expecting this month to be very bullish, and you can also take your trades accordingly. I hope this video helped. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end.